Welcome to the Hartzler Conference Room AV training. This room is equipped with a Microsoft Teams room system designed for both hybrid meetings and local presentations. A successful meeting starts before you walk in the door. When scheduling your meeting in Outlook or Teams, you must invite the room resource. Look up and add room SLH Hartzler. When you enter the room, you can use the wall switches to turn on the lights. However, for the best experience, go to the touch panel room controls and select Preset 2. This adjusts the lighting to provide high contrast for the projector screen so images aren't washed out. There are multiple touch panels in the room. Touching any of these screens will automatically wake up the entire AV system. The main projector screen will drop, the adjacent screen will turn on, and the rear screen covering the back rows will activate. If you are not doing a hybrid meeting, you can still present computer media to the room. Simply select your input source, such as the room PC or a laptop, to display your content. Then press the Share button. It is important to understand that this room operates on a dedicated system. You do not need a personal computer to log in or run the meeting. The room handles the connection entirely. If you invited the room, you will see your meeting listed chronologically on the home screen. Simply tap the Join button next to your meeting name to start. If you didn't schedule the room, you can use Meet Now or join by entering a meeting ID and passcode. However, you may want to present content wirelessly from your own device, just as a remote participant would. You can do this by joining the active Teams meeting from your laptop. But be careful. Before joining, you must mute both your laptop microphone and your laptop speakers. If you don't, you will create a severe echo and feedback loop in the room. Once your audio is silenced, join the meeting to share your screen. The room system will handle the audio. You can choose the room PC, the lectern laptop via HDMI or DisplayPort, or the wall plate input. For wireless laptops using the ClickShare dongle, plug the USB-C device into your laptop. Ensure you have selected the wireless laptop input on the room touch panel. On your laptop, open Windows Explorer. Treat the dongle like a USB thumb drive. Open it and run the executable file inside. The light on the dongle will turn solid white when connected. Select your window, press the button, and the light will turn red, confirming you are live on screen. To change how the meeting appears on the room display, tap the View button located in the bottom left corner of the control bar. This opens the Customize Your View menu. You can select Gallery for a standard grid or Front Row, which moves remote participants to the bottom of the screen to keep them at eye level with the room. On the right side of the menu, you can choose Content plus People to see both the presentation and the camera feeds, or People only to hide the content and focus entirely on the discussion. To adjust the camera, tap Room Controls to access the camera menu. You will find 4 presets that are usually ready to go. Preset 1 provides a wide shot of the entire room. Preset 2 offers a moderate close-up of the podium. Presets 3 and 4 zoom in even further. If you need a specific angle, you can use the manual pan, tilt, and zoom controls to frame your shot. If you want to save the changes you made, simply press and hold one of the preset buttons for 3 seconds and your new angle will be stored. Audio is critical. There is a microphone mounted directly on the podium. Additionally, you'll find a wireless lavalier and a wireless handheld microphone stored at the podium for your use. The ceiling microphones indicate their status. A green light means they are unmuted and live, while a red light means they are muted. You can mute all microphones using the microphone icon on the touch panel. Use the plus, minus, and loudspeaker buttons to control the overhead volume in the room. To turn off the room camera, simply tap the camera icon on the touch panel. Need to add someone? Tap People, type their name to search the St. Luke's directory, and request them to join. Here is a troubleshooting tip. If you select Room PC but the screen is black, the computer may be off. Go to the control room, the small room with the window looking into the conference space. Open the sliding doors to the equipment rack. The PC is located low in the rack, about knee-high. Press the power button to turn on the room PC. Important: when your presentation is finished, you must tap Stop Sharing on the touch panel. If content is left displayed, the AV system will not automatically shut down, which can shorten the life of the equipment.